Hello there, stranger. I see you have woken up.
What happened? Where am I?
You were in a car accident. My buddy here, Little Tooth, brought you to our little town so you could be taken care of.
Thanks for all the help, champs, but I really gotta be going now.
Oh no, my friend. You are still recovering. Don't worry, we're gonna take very good care of you.
You should listen to the doc, sweetie.
You're absolutely right. I should stay a bit longer until I'm fully healed.
Look at you. You're so skinny. You must be starving. Here, eat this.
Yes, you should eat as much as possible to grow big and healthy. Don't be shy.
Okay, if you say so.
So, let me introduce you to our humble little town. There's our police station and the sheriff. There's Luigi's tire shop. Our drugstore.
What about that building over there?
You must keep away from that one. Only townsfolk is permitted in there.
Why is that? What's in there?
That's none of your concern, boy. What you should worry about is feeding yourself.
Here's our welcome banquet, just for you. Enjoy.